Well, fixing the headlight tabs and the headlight in general. Here is how I like to fix them. I found this one from the other side. It was bolted to the car. So since it's not a weldable plastic, it's kind of it's got texture in it. I don't think you're gonna be able to weld it together. So what I like to do, I like to drill pilot holes and use some kind of reinforcement pins, nail, yes, a finish nail, and then just glue it together with a JB weld, and I had a pretty good luck with that, as long as you don't use the quick stuff. Quick stuff is not really durable, it's gonna crack. This thing is gonna take a while to dry up, but it's gonna hold it. I mean, in reality, the pins are gonna hold it. So that's how I do it. I pretty much start with one pin, drill it in here. Let's say put a nail there, put a mark, start drilling, then start putting, make sure that I am in line, and then drill it. Then do the second one. This sometimes like that. Oh, it's a wrong nail. This one is the perfect size. What I do when I start drilling with 1/16, I like to keep my drill bit as deep as possible inside of a chuck so I don't break it. When I have to mark the position, like when I have to drill through this, I put it in like that. Just start, remember the angle, take this part off, you know, you can put in the drill bit deeper and then drill it. That's how I usually do it. But trust me, this is gonna be repair, because if you just glue it together, it's gonna break off. If you can put a mesh on it and melt it in, yes, but this plastic is not gonna work like that. Then this BS is another thing I kind of fixed. It had a broken plastic that holds the lens inside, and the lens was not in. So I drilled a hole, put a zip tie here, and I just sealed up the zip tie so the water doesn't get in. I mean, yes, it looks like crap, but well, it's a budget headlight. Whatever. Alright, thank you.